Y'all have caught me being happy and excited again. uh, because I'm walking down memory lane, and I love it when I walk down there most of the time. That's just most of the time, y'all. Uh, I was looking for me some earrings to wear this morning, y'all. And when Jack was born, I had so many friends out there that shared along the joy that I was feeling for finally being a grandmother. And people would send me blankets that they had crocheted and jewelry, all kind of jewelry. But look what I'm wearing today. Jack was probably somewhere around 2 or 3 years old when a fan sent me this, and I have kept every piece all through the years. But what I did not keep up with was the names of the people that sent me these things. So I want to take this opportunity to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. And this is Jamie with his oldest son, Jack. You know, there's something about that very first grandchild having that brand new experience that you've never, ever, ever experienced before. And you're at this age where you think, there's nothing new for me to experience. Well, I'm here to tell you. I'm here to tell you, girls. Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. When those babies start coming, whoa. And it went from 1 to 11. And I love each and every one of them. All right, so the other reason I'm happy talking about retro, I'm going to share with y'all an easy way to cook your collard greens at home. Now, I have, I think, 8 or 9 strips of good bacon, and I always buy the thick cut unless I'm wrapping some kind of protein with bacon, and then I'll use the thinner because it adheres so good to, say, a chunk of chicken or shrimp, something like that. So Eddie cleaned one of my old copper pots for me, and I appreciate it so much because I hadn't used this in forever. So I'm going to put our bacon in there, and I'm going to cook it just for a few minutes and get all that good old bacon flavor out of it. Let me see. I don't want to cook this too high. All right. Now I want to show y'all what Teresa did. And she did it perfectly. She bought fresh greens, and these are beautiful, y'all. She de-stemmed them, and then she rolled them up. See, that's part of the stem. And I don't care for the stems in my collard greens. I just like the tenderness of the collards. And then she rolled them up and she sliced them. And this is perfect. Can you see how they look? They are perfect. Just a couple of more minutes on that. And then I'm going to add a stick of butter. And I'm going to add about half of a Vidalia onion sliced real thin. And we're going to cook that for a few minutes. Then we're going to add a little water. And let them cook until they're tender. I added my stick of butter, y'all. And that's going to give it such wonderful flavor. All right, so I got my butter going, so I'm going to throw in my onions. Oh, so good, so good. Now, once the collard greens start cooking, I'll taste the pot liquor in them, and then I'll start adding salt and pepper. But I'll probably go ahead and add some pepper right now. It sounds like it's getting low. Look at that. Look down in there, Eddie. Doesn't that look delicious? So I'm going to start putting our greens in. Now, a collard green versus a turnip green. There's a lot of, oh, I thought that was hot. It's not. There's a lot of difference between cooking turnips and collards. Collards are more dense, and even though they shrink, they don't shrink down like a turnip. I mean, you can start out with this many turnips right here, and you might wind up with a cup and a half of greens. So just remember when you're trying to decide to cook greens, your collards will go a lot further than a turnip green. Although I have to say, I think the turnip greens are my favorite. Okie doke. I'm going to see if I can find a lid that fits this pot, because I can't remember if it came with a lid or not. That's close enough. All right, I'm going to turn these down and let them just cook, and I will keep a watch on them because I may need to add some more water. But right now, there's enough with the 2 cups of water for them to start kind of steaming, and they will shrink up a little bit. They're looking wonderful, y'all. So I just stirred them up real good, and now I'm going to put some hot sauce in them. If you've ever eaten at the Lady and Sons and at Paula Deen Family Kitchens, you're going to find that our turnip greens have a little bit of a bite. And everybody seems to love that about them. So I'm going to get me a little tasting spoon, because now is when I would add the salt and maybe some more pepper. Look at that pot liquor. Oh my gosh, the flavor is there, but the salt is not. So we're going to take care of that right now. And I might could use a little bit more hot sauce, because I just love my hot sauce, because it doesn't try to kill you. You know, it just says, wake up, I'm here. But I won't kill you. All right. I'm going to have to look for my black pepper corns. But I'm going to add a little pepper to it. And look, that 2 cups of water is like perfect amount. But you'll want to watch them as they're cooking, that you don't let the water get too low, because there's a good chance you'll have to add some more water. Much better. Okay, I got the hot sauce in that time, y'all. And it got my tonsil. Y'all, the recipe on these collard greens are slap to dab perfect. I did not add or do one thing to them. Not one thing. And you know I'm bad about changing around my recipes. But I didn't have to do a thing to this one. So I can't wait to taste. And guess what? One of our children that y'all don't get to see much, this is our baby boy, Anthony, and he's here on the phone, and it's his anniversary, and he's trying like 3 hours before to make reservations for dinner. All right. He'll be off in a minute. You'll get to see him. He's so pretty. He's a pretty boy. And good to the bone. We're lucky.
I know.
Your children, my children, our children turned out so good in spite of us. Yeah. Don't you feel that way?
We must have done something right.
We had to have done something right. Mm. These are gonna really move you.
Yeah.
You're gonna need some more pepper. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.